What makes a story? Not just big words and pretty pictures. It is born when we leave our make-believe world and enter the real one. When we stretch ourselves, when we dive deep, when we reach out, the real story emerges when we go beyond boundaries. And only then can we reach where we have never been before.
I wanted to show you something. Look, we won the quickest award.
OPPO Reno4 Pro. Sense the infinite.
Hey Mike, need ideas for the big meeting? Let's see what I've got inside. Ready? Let's go.
Action!
Yeah, that's a nice shot.
One more time.
This is infinitely better. Time to hit the road. Defying gravity. A bit dark, but let's light up her night. I'm smooth inside and out. Forgot to charge last night? Relax. Take a quick break. And I'm ready. Prepare to sense the infinite. OPPO Reno4 Pro.
$65-watt Super VOOC, fully charged in 36 minutes.
See you later.
Sense the infinite. OPPO Reno4 Pro.
My world is endless. I have my reason. My world is endless. I have my reason. I've got my way. There's nothing.
3D borderless sense screen. Sense the infinite. OPPO Reno4 Pro.